Hello coders, I have come up with another scenario, problem set scenario in Excel on how to add up some time to a time. That is, what would be the time 7:45 minutes from 7:05 am, what will be the time? So we don't do this addition of time in this way, that is equal to simply selecting the time and then adding a plus sign and then the minutes. No, we don't do that in that way. So how to add up time to a particular time in Excel, that is the thing which I am going to show you. So all you need to do is that you need to select the cell where the time is being given, and we want to add this 45 minutes. It is to be added using a function, inbuilt function in Excel, which is time. And this takes three parameters: hour, minutes and second. As you can see clearly that here in my problem set scenario there is no hour in it. So if you have hour in it, you will be selecting that cell. Since I don't have any hour, I will be putting in 0, comma, and the minutes will be this one, then comma, and then for the second we will be putting in 0, braces close and press enter. So 7:05 a.m. in the morning, 45 minutes from 7:05 a.m. in the morning would be 7:50 a.m. Click all the way or drag all the way across to the down. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl Shift down arrow. No, Ctrl Shift up arrow. You can select this range of cell and simply press Ctrl D to copy the formula. So 8:07 a.m. in the morning, 25 minutes past 8:07 in the morning, it would be 8:32. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yeah, it's working correctly. So here in this Excel video, I have shown you how to add up minutes or hour or second, that is how to add up time to a particular time in Excel using the time function. Hope I am being able to clear my problem set scenario and I am being able to explain it to you guys. See you again later for some another Excel video. Till then, happy coding and have a great day.